How to Stop Procrastinating, Part 93. All right, so we've talked a lot about procrastination, probably because I'm so good at it, and because I'm working on it in my life, and because I know that you're probably working on it in your life, and because a lot of people are working on it in their lives, I'm thinking that procrastination is an important concept to cover. So let's talk about one key element of procrastination that is very effective in creating real procrastination, in causing you to never get around to actually doing something. It's a core concept called tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. This is a perfect project for tomorrow. I'm tired. Tomorrow would be a much better time to do this. I don't feel so well. How about if we look at this tomorrow? I can't do that right now. How about tomorrow? Tomorrow? There is a problem. But so it's so tempting because tomorrow is not now. And it's so much easier to think that you'll have more energy, you'll feel better, you'll feel more excited, you'll just get it done then, because as soon as you say tomorrow, you just took the pressure off of getting it done now. So that's why it's so tempting. The problem is it almost never actually happens tomorrow. I have projects that should have happened tomorrow that are 9 months old that still haven't happened. Perhaps you're the same. So there are two things about this word tomorrow, this concept of tomorrow, that I think are important. So when you want to wait until tomorrow, for whatever reason, it's late, I'm tired, I don't feel well, I got a lot to do today, whatever, I have two suggestions. Number one, what could you do right now to start some momentum? So this concept is not saying just bag how you feel and go do it anyway. The concept here is, what could you do right now so that you've started some momentum so that tomorrow actually happens? Could you do one small project? So for example, I'm going to write that email tomorrow. All right. So sit down and write and open up a new document, write the subject line of the email and the first two lines of the email. You can finish the rest of it tomorrow, which, by the way, you might actually end up finishing it right now, which would be far better than waiting until tomorrow. But what you just did, and may I recommend that when you do that, leave it open on your screen. So when you come back tomorrow, there it is right in front of you, and all you have to do is sit down and finish writing the rest of it. So take and choose one small thing you can do to start the momentum so that it actually happens tomorrow. Number two, okay, if you have to do it tomorrow, it's 10:30 at night, you really are tired, you really should go to bed, put it in your calendar with a specific goal. So your calendar date says from 10 to 11 tomorrow, I'm going to work on this. And you actually put into that calendar entry, goal, complete and set up the email by 11 o'clock tomorrow. That way, it's a little harder to actually put it off tomorrow, because when you get to 10 o'clock, as you get to 9:50, your little alarm goes off on your phone that says, hey, in 10 minutes, you have this meeting starting. And that meeting's just with you, but you've got it there. And so you go and you actually do something with tomorrow. So ideally, we're not putting things off till tomorrow. But these two concepts, number one, do something for when you actually have to put it off to tomorrow, or really feel like you just can't do it today. Do something that starts some momentum, or number two, actually put it on the calendar for tomorrow with a goal of what you're going to do by that time, and then actually do it tomorrow. How do you deal with tomorrow? What do you do to prevent this from just killing all your productivity and making you so you never actually accomplish the things that are hard in your life, that are the things you tend to want to put off to tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're dealing with and how you solve it. This is Don Crowther saying, just go do this stuff.